To complete the end components, begin by copying the half shape with the Move tool. Move it down the red axis. Right-click on the copy and choose Flip along the group's red axis. Then use the Move tool to mate up the two halves. Pick the Select tool and draw a left to right select box around both halves. Pick the Rotate tool and click on the top end of the end. Click on the opposite end on the red axis. Rotate the end 90 degrees until reaching the green axis. Right-click on each half or group and pick Explode. Then, with the Select tool, draw a select box around both halves. Right-click on the selection and pick Make Component from the menu. Name the component End and click Create. Edit the component. Select the eraser and delete the center line. Choose the Push-Pull tool and give the component a 3/4 inch thickness. With the tape measure, click on the inside edge of the end and move the mouse down 19 inches. That is, type 19 and hit Enter. The outside-to-outside dimension is 19 inches. Choose the Move tool, tap the Control key, click on the outside edge of the end, and move the copy of the end down the red axis. Click when reaching the guideline. Right-click on the right end and pick Flip Around Components Red. Delete the guideline. Zoom in to the inside face of the left end. Pick the tape measure, click on the bottom edge, and raise up a guideline 4 1/4 inches. With the Line tool, scribe the size of the group. Oops, I forgot to open the component for editing, so this we need to stop and undo, edit the component, and then scribe the size of the groove. It's 3/16 inch deep and 3/4 inches high. The Push-Pull tool will route out the groove. Click on the back edge and then delete the guideline. Since the right end will have an extra groove for the till, we need to make these two unique components, not the same. Right-click on the left end and choose Explode from the menu. Right-click again and choose Make Component. Name the component Left End and click on Create. Repeat the same actions for the right end, naming the component Right End. You can check the component definitions by opening the Entity Info dialog box up here and verify that the selected component is in fact called right end and left end. Now to the till groove with the guideline. Make a guideline 3.5 inches down from the top edge of the right end. Edit the component and use the line tool to outline the size of the groove for the till bottom. This is 3/16 inch deep and 3/8 inch long or wide. Again, use the push-pull tool to route out the groove. This finishes the building of the end components. Erase the guidelines.